Hey guys, Alex here, doing my best trying to use my whispering voice as we make our way here to the Mount Dora tiny house. And I just don't want to make the dog bark. But anyway, we're here, so let's go inside. So we are inside the Escape Vista Boho in Mount Dora, Florida. And this is the quick version, the quick tour of this tiny house. You know, if this is too quick for you, I have a longer version of this video that you can check out on this channel. This table right here, actually, if you wanted to, you could, fold it down and have more space. This side of the house is for sleeping and, being on the couch and writing and eating. While the other side of the house, this side of the house is, for your kitchen, your storage right here, your closet, and of course, your bathroom. It's really nice because the entire property where your tiny house is at is completely fenced in, so it's really private. I didn't want you to get too excited with that music, so we're going to tone it back down. The kitchen is compact, but it packs a punch. You can do what you need. There's a nice sized fridge. There's even a microwave up top. Let's see. And now let's turn it up again. Thank you so much for watching. For more information on this tiny house, this Airbnb, and the builder that builds this tiny house, like how you can get your own and how you can stay here if you want, plus some other stuff, just check out the description. The link's in the description. Thank you so much again for watching. See you on the next one.